You guys, I secured the bag of my dreams. I am so excited. Hey guys, what's up, it's Bella? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. Don't forget to stick around, follow my social medias on the screen, and be sure to subscribe and click that bell. I am beyond pumped for today's video. I have been eyeing this bag since it was released, and I finally bit the bullet and got my hands on it. I've only seen it in store. I did not unbox it already, so it's going to be a full unboxing for you guys. And I wanted to shout out my beautiful client advisor, Hiba. I have a connection with this girl. Like, she is beautiful on the inside and out, and she helps me find every item that I have ever needed from Louis, and I love her so much. Like, Hiba, I know you're watching this and you know the vibe that we have together, so I love you. Thank you so much for always helping me and doing the best at your job and being so personable with me. She's also Middle Eastern, so we are Arab queens together, and yeah, I just love her so much. So this bag would have not happened if it wasn't for Hiba, so shout out to her for being the best client advisor at Louis Vuitton. I love her. I guess we'll get right on into the unboxing of this video, because I'm sure you're wondering, Bella, what bag did you get? Well, you're about to find out. As always, I really hate that I have to preface the video this way, but I feel like a lot of people take what people say online to a different extent. I am not bragging by any means in this video. I work very insanely hard to be able to buy stuff that I want to buy, because you only live once, and if you want something, splurge, but in the right way, of course. So yeah, I'm not bragging, I'm just really excited, and I feel like the people who truly know me and know my heart and my channel know that I'm not bragging. So yeah, I'm just very excited. Alright, so I'm gonna start with taking everything out of the package, which is just this beautiful, beautiful box. And then of course we have the little receipt, which I don't look at because I don't want to be reminded of my purchase. Just trying to focus on this and the beautifulness of this box. Like, it was all worth it. It was all worth it. Okay, I always feel so cool when I do this, but I'm going to unpull the ribbon. Unpull? I guess I meant pull the ribbon. It's always nicely. It's always wrapped. My English, y'all, today is not cute. What am I trying to say? It's always wrapped so nicely. Wow, I'm just so excited, I just can't speak. I always keep the ribbon just for fun, because, I don't know, why not? Here is the big reveal. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in a dust bag, but yeah, it's still a big reveal though, opening the main box. Y'all, I'm so excited. I have so many Louis Vuitton purses, but I feel like the experience just gets better and better each time, and it's just always, I don't know. If you know, you know. Like, if you know the feeling of getting a new bag each time, it's just such a good feeling. And I hate to also say this, but I don't buy it just because I have the means to. Like, I researched the design behind this bag, the meaning behind this bag, kind of what this bag stands for, everything about it, and I just fell in love with the art aspect of it. Like, that's why I love designers so much, is I love the boldness and the art of it, and the design process and what goes into it, and how everything is handmade. Like, that is so cool to me. So, she's in here. She's in this bag. Are you ready? Do I undo it? Ah, she's pink! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Woo! Oh my goodness. Speechless. I'm absolutely so speechless. Wow. Oh my gosh. So can't speak. Here she is in all her glory. Oh my gosh. This is my first Louis Vuitton bag in this kind of texture, which I will explain all the details of this bag in a minute. But it has an accessory that came with it, so if you think this is boring, just get ready. I'm gonna spice it up a little for you. So I'm gonna open the inside of the bag, and boom, the strap. It's the strap for me. Oh my gosh. So this is what the strap looks like. It says Louis Vuitton all over it, with beautiful pink and yellow, and then the back, it's got the classic flower emblem and all the fun stuff. I am just beyond excited, beyond excited. I'm gonna strap her on. So yeah, if you thought the bag was boring, I totally understand. But now it's not boring, and I can wear it in two ways. I can wear it off the shoulder like this, or I can take the strap off and wear it a lot classier like this. Let me get the details on this bag for you guys so I can give you a full rundown. Alright, I have my trusty iPad, and I'm going to give you all the details of this bag. So this is the Alma BB bag. So it does come in 4 colors. It comes in the dragon fruit color, which is the one that I got. It comes in sunflower, which just came back in stock. Comes in serpentine, which is a beautiful green, and then the blue, which I was debating this color a lot. Like I was really thinking about getting this pretty blue, but I was like, pink is just so beautiful. Obviously, here's the one that I got. Here's the blue color. It's like a baby blue. Here's the green. I was also debating this one, but I already have 2 designer green purses, and my goal with like buying bags and designer from here on out is to make sure it's a statement, and that is something different than I have in my collection. So that's why I decided to not get green, even though I was very tempted because green is my favorite color. And then there is the yellow. So obviously this bag, the Alma BB, is a very classic bag. It has been in the Louis Vuitton family for many, many years, but they decided to dress it up a little, add some color, and add a really beautiful sporty strap. This is gonna be the EPI grained cowhide leather bag. So this is, like I said, my first bag that is going to be this grain cowhide vibe. And I don't think it'll be my last. It's not gonna be my last. So it says that this is the most recognizable bag. It's adorable and it has a sporty makeover with a new jacquard strap. I think I'm saying that correctly. It is a fashionably wide strap embroidered with Louis Vuitton on one side and monogram blossoms on the other. Features delicate stitching along its edges made from colorful EPI leather. This bag will definitely turn heads is what it says, and it definitely turned my head and I bought it. So obviously this is the dragon fruit pink bag. That's the one that I decided to go for. It is a smooth cowhide leather, has microfiber lining on the inside. It's gonna be silver hardware, which is not like something I would typically go for. I typically always do gold hardware, but I thought it was different and I can't imagine gold with this bag. So I'm okay with it having silver hardware, of course. It's not like I can change it, so had to be okay with it. It has a key bell on it, and then it also has a little lock, which is down here. I'm gonna give a look on the inside of this bag because I actually have yet to see what the inside of this bag looks like. There is a random little mini key pouch thing with little dust bag in here. That's cute. Very mini, very random. So the inside is super beautiful, very nicely lined, and I actually, when I had ordered this bag from Hiba, I was actually really scared that it'd be too small, but when I saw it in person, when it came to the store, I was like, this is actually the perfect size. I was scared it would be like half the size, and it definitely is not because it's the BB, so it's gonna be a little bit bigger. And yeah, man, I just can't wait to wear it. I cannot wait to style this thing. Probably gonna wear it tonight to dinner, honestly, just because why not? I am just super obsessed with the detail. The detail on this bag, the bottom of it has this like little beads. I don't even know what you'd call these, like hardware beads. So they sit up from the, wherever you're putting it, like the platform. So the bottom doesn't really get too messed up. And I love the little sly LV print right there. I also love how I can just take the strap off this bag and I can really mask the bag and make it not look like a crazy designer bag, and it's really subtle and simple. I really love having bags that are versatile in that sense where I can wear it in different ways. It's like a 2-for-1. Oh my gosh, there's keys! Wait, I actually had no idea this was in here. I was wondering what this, like how to work this lock, and now I know how. That is so cool, I just unlocked it. Well, I'm gonna have to use that because that is very cute. That is cool. And then you just pull this up and get rid of the keys. The keys are only for you. The key holder is you. Well, in this case, it's me, but it can be you. Okay, I'm done giving this bag all the glory. I love it. I am so thankful that I was able to get this bag, and I'm just super excited to style it. This is not really a part of the video, but I also picked up some blue light glasses, which I have been looking for a nice pair of blue light glasses to wear because I wear contacts on a daily basis. So pick these up, and I love these so much. They are like, have this like little, the monogram blossoms on the side. Really nice and oversized. They fit my face really well, and they make like the strain on my eyes when I am on my phone, on my computer, editing, doing school, a lot less intense, which helps me as a human all around because I get really bad headaches when I'm on my devices for too long. And I'm always on my devices because I do work and I do school on my devices. Well, you guys, that is it for this Louis Vuitton purse unboxing. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super obsessed with this bag. If you guys have any other Louis Vuitton recommendations or bags that I need to get, let me know. I haven't done many like unboxings on my channel of bags, I don't think. And I'm really bad at it. Like, I forget that when I get a bag, I just automatically open it and I don't even think of doing it for a video. But I'm gonna continue when I buy bags. I'm gonna continue to do like unboxings for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed it, let me know. I don't necessarily have a quote of the day. I just have something I want to say. I want to extend my warmest heart and regards to the people of Ukraine. I am definitely super saddened by what is happening. I have someone there that I love very insanely much, and I can only imagine other people there who have family and other people, many people that they love there very much. What is happening is sad, and I really don't have many words for it, but I'm gonna leave links down below to places you can donate and people and articles that you can read to educate yourself on the situation if you are unaware of, you know, how it started, why it started, what's going on, when's it gonna end, things like that. I mean, things that we may not know the full answers to, but articles to educate yourself on the situation, because if it was happening here in the United States, you want to read about it. So I encourage you to read about it even though it's happening many, many miles away. Be encouraged and be educated here so you're able to take it into your task force everywhere. So I love you guys a lot, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, you know what to do: like, subscribe, comment, and click that bell. Follow my social medias for more, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah.